They can't hear that? They can't hear my slurping. They can't hear my slurping. What can they hear? Me?
Working. How you know better on your birthday? Hey. Hey. You've got to be what?
Look at the last two letters.
Yeah.
PH?
My eyes are not good enough.
Come closer.
Thank
Guys.
you. Wow, very crazy, very nice. What's up, everybody? How we doing?
Why is no one on the TikTokies? If no one comes over to the tiki-talkie,
For real, for real.
I'm gonna flippy floppy when it comes to the Discord.
The Discord? What? Good morning.
Whenever
everybody
you
in chat.
yapping, you sound like a big whore.
Hey, listen. And you
Sup.
want more? Do you
Because I be
really?
swinging that.
Big bore. Huh?
Can't say the rest of that line.
Can't say the rest of that
Because
line.
I've been doing all the lines.
Mm.
And I'm not talking about support and resistance.
Hey.
Because we just came from Colombia. He's a witness.
He's a witness.
Mr. JJ. He steps up in the building.
Mm.
He scans his fob card. But I'm the only fob that's in the building. In this yard. I am Mr. Filipino. Can't you tell by my big nose? I can suck it all up. Bring it back down. What? I don't know because there's no social system.
Discord. Who's looking for the Discord?
Someone wants to find the
So why don't
Discord.
you make him find the Discord? You don't even want to miss
move,
this.
200-point London move, bruh.
You don't want to miss this. Asking questions like, what is this?
John's looking at me like he wants to kiss this.
But instead, I take a shot, put him on my hit list.
Can you not do that gun sign?
Oh, we're going to get banned. What's up, everybody? Yo, listen, everyone in the Discord right now, every single person in the audience, I see all your names. Everybody needs to say good morning right now.
Also, John, can you go over to the TikTok?
In the next
please?
30 seconds, whoever doesn't say good morning is getting kicked. And that's on No Cap on God, bro. Let's see it. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning, George. Good morning, Tapwater. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Alpha. Good morning, Buffett. Good morning, Underwater Whales. Good morning, David. Good morning, Forrest. Good morning, Ergonomic. Good morning, Sportsman. Good morning, Flex. Good morning, Ezra. Good morning, M-Dog. Good morning, M-Drop. Good morning. Oh, hey. Good morning, Oscar again. Yo, that was like a rap. Good morning, M-Dog. Good morning, M-Drop.
Good morning. You
Good
said
morning,
that.
K Drizzle. See that? You see how active this chat is? I want this chat to be active all the time, baby. Let me know. Talk shit. Talk shit in chat. Call someone an idiot. Show off your profit. You know what I'm saying? Good morning, Kamara.
Guys, what
Mr.
caused the massive overnight news? I wonder what. Maybe it's because rates are still unchanged, even though we are going to go into a financial crisis.
It was me. I messaged Trump. I told him that you were going to be on stream today.
Oh, you're welcome, guys. That's it.
No cap. That's all I have to say. No cap on God, bro.
That's enough. Okay? Grow up.
Your screen share is wrong, by the way.
What? Why is that wrong? So ungrateful, bro. How much do I have to
I got
do
you,
around?
chat. I got you, chat. Prophub. We showed that trade of a baby. What do you think this is, huh? Where then it is, right? AK4407? Mamba mentality? Good morning, Mr. Mamba. Kobe.
Kobe, did you even score today?
Yeah, scored twice. Buenos dias.
Buenos
Miss
dias.
Carol.
Hola, señorita.
We
¿Cómo
up, hey,
estás?
bro is up $1,600,
Oh.
baby. Come on.
Tú eres muy fea.
Muchacho taco, señorita. Haha.
I just joking. Ja.
Superfi soy Inam. What I mean?
He's joking.
What I mean?
Flaquis.
What I mean? What's up?
Muy bonita, mami.
I have no shame, but I'm smart. You're a dialysis technician. You think they hire a bunch of idiots to do that?
Muy enfermo.
I'm the funded too. Wishing you guys the best of luck today. Yo, bruh. I love to see that. I love to see that. How close are you to a payout?
You're so horny.
Bruh, I'm gonna keep you fully accountable. All right? 2 winning days of 250, that's it. Okay, what's today? Are you done for today? You're done for today for sure, right? You should be done if that's a 50K.
Nice.
100%. All right. So tomorrow's skippable because it's a Friday. All right, on Wednesday, if you don't say I got a payout, I'm gonna be disappointed. I'm rushing you.
Why is no one on the tiki-toki?
The real shit though, you're almost there. You know, don't force nothing. 250 is pretty easy. Just wait for that setup.
Yeah, I have a question for you guys.
And you're chilling.
How am I sharing my Trade of 8 and Trading View when you guys don't want to support me on TikTok?
For real. End it. End the screen share. I'm not even on the TikTok. End it. Nope. That's it. 1 minute before market open. What do you think this is? Huh? What do you think this is? Go on TikTok. Type in Ace of Trades. 3 S's. Look at that. Look at that. We are TikTok famous. I want to see at least 10 people. And there's 51 people in here. So anybody that is in this live, you can blame people in the chat. Start talking shit right now. I want to see it. Whose fault is it? Who are we blaming?
Who are we blaming?
Who are we blaming?
Flaquis?
How do I tell him I deleted TikTok? Damn, Adri, you were the one who held people to the rule. That's crazy. Wait, Miss Carol, you have 6'7"?
Blame Pow. I deleted it 2 weeks ago.
Also
About a week ago!
Yo, good shit, AK. About to open in 3 seconds. Yo, Ace, real quick. What do you think? Up or down? I think down. I've done it again. Very nice. Let's find some banger trades today.
Boop,
What do you say?
boop, boop.
PDPT, thanks, JJ. Did you actually? I was gonna say, you know what's funny? I did post a reel a while ago, and it was literally you PDPTing off of one play. And in the video, I'm like, Eric, you're not supposed to full port my plays.
Ow.
Mr. 270, buy Bertries. Yo, I told you short. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? I'm not a financial advisor, but I am a confluence. Just know that.
Not a financial advisor, but he does advise you
For real, for
to
real.
join our stream, which is 100% for free, and to open any props using the code PHUB.
Oh yeah, baby. Previous day.
We didn't make a Instagram story. That's why our numbers are low.
Yo, make one right now.
I'm trading.
No, make one.
How am I doing it?
I'll make one. I'll make one.
I full ported JJ. Look, underwater rails.
What?
Made money from you.
W. Yo, listen. I'm not your papa.
Potential bounce right here, guys. Here's our weekly open, our previous day high, and your London high from what session? From a prior session. So if we can stay and hold that 413, we could see a reaction off of that. And I'd enter super light, especially with these current moves. Risk, you barely have to risk shit, to be honest. I'll take it.
What are you on? What are you in?
I'm taking a long with literally like 20 points.
My short was crazy.
Of a stop. 20 points of a stop, and there you go. Already trying to go. That was 15 right there off of that 400. You guys see the screen. Could obviously fail. It's at 79 right now.
I understand.
And it needs to hold basically 403 to 413 for a nice continuation. Otherwise, this is done, which is why I went light.
I understand it now.
I am risking $126 per account. Wow, holy.
I understand it now. Why is this lagging? What the hell?
I can see clearly now the rain has gone. Well, I can see all
can
the
see
shadows in my way.
clearly. Story done. Very nice, very kind.
Very beautiful.
PDPT Tradify evals. Thanks, HJJ. Yo, W underwater whales. Look at that. Very simple. Hi, any code for Phub Premium? Actually, go look at the announcements. We have the biggest sale ever going on right now, and you get grandfathered into the price forever because there's massive changes coming.
There's that previous day high, and there's 20 points. So you guys have a 1-to-1 right there.
I just took.
Nice.
Took very quickly. I'm done for the day, thanks. Type shit. And yo, just because you done for the day don't mean you gotta be gone for the day. By the way, code gone, biggest sale ever. Just go read the announcement. Go read the announcement.
Could fail and tapped. Yeah,
I just took.
which is fine.
Very nice. Very
if you guys
kind.
took that 20 points, it was decent.
I mean,
1-to-1 trade.
Underwater whales PDPT'd off that.
That's a W.
That's a W right there.
And off
JJ
that
best
one,
callouts. Look at Zulu.
60.
$316, $200.
W.
Absolutely beautiful.
I
I went
still
light,
love
but
it.
I'm green like 150 on the days. On the days.
On the dice.
Very easy, very simple.
These Asia levels are wild.
No. Did I miss the surprise? But there's so many surprises coming. Just know, Prophub in
There.
a month from now is gonna look so different, and it's gonna be so lit. I'm
How
so
lit?
excited.
Tell them.
I'm just super excited because I know so many people are gonna print, and it's gonna be ridiculous. And if it gets to a point where everybody actually like engages with socials and shares
Trying to
us,
take the bounce here, by the way, guys. Again, could
Wait, more.
fail. Really trying to get
the 350 bounce.
the reaction. It was actually lower. That 30.
The bottom, I have a bottom of my range at 350,
338,
so it's not bad
basically.
either.
I'm going to keep more risk on this one. And then add in if we can keep a hold above.
Where's your SL?
On the floor right now, 22.
I
I
understand.
want it to breathe. Like this.
Why
you laugh like that?
It's a Kawhi. Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi Leonard.
Yeah. She
It's
is
the
still
dumb
flushing.
person,
Yeah,
brother.
she's not done. It was a massive reaction, so
That
I'm
is
not
a
surprised.
Dumb person.
Look what happened last night, guys. Literally, she flew up all the way to like 622, dropped all the way back down to the 200 levels, and then popped all the way back up to 540.
Mhm.
So we are volatile. You guys have to just make sure you're sizing appropriately to match this volatility.
Ban Eric? Damn. What do you say? Damn it, green on the wrong account. Eric.
Eric,
Pay attention, Eric.
step it up, brother.
Yeah, no, Asia was a banger last night, for sure.
It was insane.
What is up, Toasty? Yo,
I'd
Toasty, how's
love
your
to
trading
hold
going, Toasty?
350. We got to see it. We got to see it to believe it. Otherwise, we're not believing it.
Believe it to see it.
And there's the reclaim of 350. Let's see if it actually can hold and reclaim, or
It
if this
needs
is just
to-
a test.
It needs to hold for real.
Yeah.
Check testimonials, bet. I'm gonna go check them right now. Took this play, but cut it too short. Banger.
We
This is
need
a
that
banger play on the
hold.
5
If we
minute.
can keep
check.
that hold, this trade's nice. I actually wouldn't mind once it does close above 350, adding in and then reducing the risk. That way we can size in a little bit more.
Yeah, reclaim of the 350 I'd actually really like.
Yeah, because it held 340, which was your afternoon high. Close on a 1 minute right there. And that was what, just shy of 20 points again.
Mm-hmm. I really want to see the close on the 2 though. For real.
Wow, just for the sucky.
Just for the what?
I've been getting 20 points green and not taking, and then getting taken out.
I understand.
It makes me sad.
It might be one of those days.
It's just one of those days. Dun, 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 dun.
By the way, Toasty, I do love that. You
Oh,
saying
oh,
if it presents
oh,
itself.
Oh, Whoa.
No forcing.
Whoa. It's coming.
Baby girl. Let me see. Let me see.
What, like 3 more points of risk? At 19. Wow, that moved. And tapped. Yep. Yep. Not surprised. Today is volatile, guys.
I think 270 to 300, that range right there for a bounce would be pretty valid.
If you guys are running like the 1-to-1 or the negative R, you guys printed on that. But for myself, trying to hold through, it ain't happening.
Eric, are you like arguing with yourself? This guy's tripping.
One of them.
Toasty, that's on some type shit. You know yourself. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I want to see a tap of that 300, and if we get a close above like 310, I think it'd be a pretty valid bounce for potential retest of the 50s.
It would need a hold 315 and then 340 for me. So basically same levels. I still like the long, especially after a massive reaction like that. But in terms of going with the trend, I'm not.
This is a big ass orb, no cap.
What is an orb?
It's like this crystal ball that you peer into, and it tells you the answer of like.
Do we have a magic 8-ball?
Huh. Let me ask the magic 8-ball. Is this a long? It said yes. Oh my god! I'm just kidding. It's broken. It doesn't work. That's it. I had to ruin it. 269 London low. What do you know about a 69? What? Wait, what? Is that a 300 test?
Did you just say, what do you know about 69?
Maybe. Maybe. I would love to see a bounce off the 275. Like, if we can sweep this 300, bounce off the 275, reclaim 300.
Yeah.
I do like
it
that.
It needs a hold. Otherwise, the longs ain't just, they're not happening.
For real, for real.
I've tried it. I missed it. And I've counted 1 to 10. Factor cap.
Eric, of course we love you.
Factor cap.
Factor cap. Factor cap. We're going to hit a banger. That's fact. No cap on God, bro.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
Where are we looking?
Look at that thing. Our
right,
charts.
Here's the 275 test.
275 and right here is your weekly anchored.
Yep. Here is your potentials.
Yeah.
But we need to get a full reclaim of that 3.
I completely agree with John right now. I'm actually going to set a limit.
He said hi, Spider-Man. That shit. You know what I'm saying?
I want a limit above 315.
Toasty's paying attention.
Guess what?
For real.
I'm adjusting. Well, guess what? Toasty's I noticed it too.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
304, 305, previous day value every high.
Previous days?
Yeah.
Value areas
high? Value areas of the highs.
This is one of those areas where you could have like a low risk tight SL early entry, but the full confirmation is definitely above 300.
It's just one of those days.
Sure. It's gonna be May.
Here's that 300 getting tested. And we're at the bottom of that accumulation from our London session. So that's why I kept trying to see a reaction off of here, but it didn't want to happen yet. I do have an order in at 316. Let's see, our 2 hour. No, 1 hour. Yep.
See, here we go. This candle.
And if I do,
should go for the retest potentials.
I make it up for you. I will do.
You want to see some aggression
again.
out of this 300?
I'll hold above 307. 307.5. Let me just
300 test. Are we gonna get aggressive? Are we gonna get aggressive?
And I'm not your friend.
I'm not your daddy. Please tell me your daddy's listening.
Tell me why.
Daddy, daddy, are you home?
So it still needs to hold above 307.50 to get out of that London accumulation low.
Mm-hmm.
The CE literally goes all the way down to 47. So I am in with that trigger at 316 still. There it
Beauty.
goes. And we just need that to hold otherwise.
Beautiful.
That's a Cookerson.
That's on some type shit. Weekly VWAP here too. Yeah, for me, yeah. Above 308. Close would be beauty. On the 2-week. The 2-week? Anyone trade the 2-week chart? Nice little pumpy. Nice little pumpy.
20 points from initial entry. There we go to the 30, guys. I'm moving my stop up for in case this comes back down.
For that baby girl.
Just got tapped.
I saw that live.
I just got tapped.